Okay, so we have a Jeep Cherokee here. I'm just going to show you some of the problems I have and ask you a few questions too. So we're going to start it up. The 92 Limited with a 4.0. It's actually the first time the electric fan's kicked in for a long time, so let's see what's going on here. Oh, went off. The temperature's just okay. So here, you hear that squeaking noise, so I'll give it some juice, and gone. There's again, and there it's gone. Okay, so I'm going to squirt some water on the belt, and see how this turns out. There, that's basically gone. It sounds a lot better. Give some juice, it'll come back. Alright, turn it off. Here, let's get the exhaust for you actually. There's the exhaust. Okay. Turn the engine off here. Okay, so what I can tell you is that there's clearly no coolant in here, because for some reason you put it in here and it leaks out, but it never overheats. It needs a new belt. I could probably also use a tune-up. Just in general, needs cleaned. The exhaust is a O'Reilly's universal muffler and tailpipe, or tailpipe for the car, I should say. You put a new power steering pressure hose on it, and you can see the ice or the salt from the road's gone onto it. Needs some suspension work. On the left side, there's a bad ball joint on the lower end. It's probably going to need new bearings for everywhere. And in the back, probably want to see this, but it looks to me like it's sagging a little bit in the back. There's a obviously red. It has newish tires that are pretty loud and need rotated. So let's go and turn on again. I'll show you some more. Here's this. I'll show you my gauges. There. Here we go. Look, it's not overheating at all. I just drove it for a while now. So, it's terrible squeaky noise. I hate it. It gives people the impression that this car is, it's not a cool vehicle, which is sad. So, this is Chris signing off.